My name is Joe Saxton, and I have been a criminal defense attorney for a number of years now. And prior, I was a public defender. During that time frame, I carried a caseload over 300 cases. What I've seen in the courtrooms, people come in and they have their first appearance, and the judge goes through his colloquy. He lets them know what the allegations are, what their rights are, and asks them if they want time to hire an attorney or if they'd like to have a court-appointed attorney. A lot of times people, it goes either way. People say, oh, please let me have a court-appointed attorney, and they make the determination if you qualify or not, or they say, yeah, I'd like some time to go and hire an attorney. The problem is, when you're at that point, when you're showing up to court, even if you're going to get an attorney, you're going to hire one or you're going to be appointed an attorney, you're already behind. You're already behind when you get charged. But having an attorney at the front who can start to dig into this shortens that time frame, because it is a long time that these cases take to resolve. These are complicated charges, these are serious charges. You want to make sure that you don't just rush through it. You want to do a thorough job, because at some point you've got to convince somebody. You've got to convince the prosecution, you got to convince the judge, or you got to convince a jury that you didn't do this. You need time to build that case to convince them, because people are going to be looking at you as if you're already guilty. Because law enforcement says he is, the prosecution says he is. Those are very credible people to a jury or to members of society. And you need to overcome that with facts, with investigation. And that's what we help you do. So the earlier we can get started on that, the earlier you can reclaim your life.